Hey everyone, it's Megan with Alder and Nance, and today I wanted to share with you Trello, which is an app and also desktop workspace that I use to organize all of my sewing projects and YouTube project ideas and things along those lines. First, I'm going to share with you my YouTube workspace, which is how I go about organizing everything that I need to do. And I know I haven't been sharing my Tuesday tips, but those will be coming back again soon. And on the left side here, you see my video ideas, which is a capsule wardrobe, 5-minute crafts sewing video review, where I try all of the different 5-minute crafts, hacks, and things like that. And then 12 days of Halloween. So instead of Christmas, I wanted to do 12 days of Halloween. And then I have all of my Tuesday tips that will be coming up here soon, and the upcoming videos, which are already in the process of either being recorded. They're ideas that I already have scheduled out, and I know I have this one here that does not have a date. That is because I am moving my Letterlow pattern making system review to a different date, which I am going to go ahead and remove the date here. And you can actually remove it just like that, and then I can go in and add in a date here, if it will let me, which this one will be coming out on the 17th at 8 a.m. And save that. And I go ahead and add myself to this so I get notifications on my cell phone for this also. So some of this one has already been recorded, and I am actually recording this one right now. Whenever I go into Premiere Pro to start editing all of my projects, I'll move them over here. And for videos that I do a voiceover for, I'll move them into this. I'm not yet being sponsored or anything along those lines, but I do go ahead and have those two boards there. And then I upload all of my videos private. Well, kind of. I upload them and then I add the description and research. I get it scheduled. I do all of my graphic design. It's uploaded, and after I'm done promoting it, I move it over to done. And as you see, here are all of the videos I have put out here recently. And that's that area. And for, say, my Letterlow projects, I can go in and actually add a label to them, which I already have a Letterlow. I can add the Letterlow label here onto that one. And then, like, for this one, I don't really have a label because it's not a pattern review. It's not a Tuesday tip. It's just something kind of interesting that you might want to look into. Here in the future, I'll be doing my dress form, and then for the men's sewing patterns, it is going to be a pattern review of different patterns that I'm able to find for men, both digital, printable patterns, and also printed patterns that I'm able to pick up from the Big Four. Let's go ahead and head back over to here, and this is where I keep all of my digital patterns, in which I do need to go ahead and add a couple of them also into this because I have bought some more patterns from Love Notions. But all of my dress patterns I have over here, and these are all patterns that I need to go ahead and print out myself. And one of the good things is about Trello, if you upgrade to one of the higher, right now I'm using the free version of Trello. If you upgrade to their business class or gold class, I think there's two different ones. On the computer it shows business class, and on my cell phone it shows gold class. After you update to that, you can actually go in and upload all of your patterns into Trello, which I need to go ahead and upgrade again because I love being able to have all of my patterns with me at all times. All of my tops are in this little drop down area. All of my skirts, pants. I have one swimsuit from Gertie, and then I have the outerwear projects, in which I have this one printed. It's just not in my size, it's in my daughter's size. I have my sleep and intimates, kids clothing, menswear and also other things like my bootstrap fashion dress form. And then I have my printed patterns, which I don't have many. I'm still adding more to my collection. So I do have this top, which I have made it. And as you see here, it's got the little Made It Megan label. And then I have my outfits, my historical, which I'll be working on this one here shortly. And then I have my menswear and then my historical menswear. One other thing that I've been doing is actually my project ideas, and that is some of the ideas that I want to actually make, in which this dress right here reminds me so much of Belle, and then the Daffodil Dreams by, and I'm not even going to try and pronounce the designer's name. I'm not going to copy it exactly, but I absolutely adore this dress. So I went ahead and saved it, and like I said, it's not going to be an exact replica of it. I'm just going to use this as inspiration for my own dress. And that's with any of these in here. I'm using it as my inspiration for things that I want to add to my closet, like this vintage floral dress. I absolutely love this. I love the double collar. And then James loved the shirring on this one, and I love that it's got this little sweetheart neckline, which it looks like it's just pinched down, so it's just a regular tube for the top, and then it's just pinched down right here to create the little sweetheart neckline here. One of the biggest cosplays that I plan on doing, and I don't know if it's going to be finished this year or if it'll be in 2022, is Madame Adeline, and I have just some ideas from the Met Museum of actual outfits that were out around the time that this movie is based in that looks kind of similar to this, and I wanted to figure out the types of fabrics that were used, so I went through all different ones, and then I didn't know if I wanted to do the green one or if I wanted to do the wine colored one, and I've settled on doing the wine. And then my daughter Skylar loves Ursula, and I wanted to make her a cosplay of this outfit from this little statue that she liked. The skirts, and actually I want to kind of make this whole outfit here and do it. I don't know if I'm going to do the little straps here. I might, we'll see. And then this outfit I absolutely adore, and I can actually use the Gertie shorts that I actually already completed for the shorts right here. I completed that project in last week. So this is how I go about organizing all of my things that I've got going on in my life, including my patterns, what I'm going to be producing here on YouTube, and also some ideas. I do have This Is Ryan, which is my youngest daughter's YouTube channel, which we haven't actually done anything with so far. We've just started to create it. And then I have my vision board, which I'm going to keep that one a little private. Some people I've actually seen go ahead and make their fabric catalogs. So I can actually go in here and add in silks, cottons, and things along those lines, and just fill up this entire board and go from there. So if you like Trello, go ahead and give it a try. Download it on your cell phone or head over to Trello.com. All right, guys, have a wonderful day.